In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Trade Republic transactions. Now, there's actually two options. The first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Cache tab up top, and then you want to go into Transactions over here on your screen, and you want to select the transaction which you want to actually export. So, for example, I'm going to select this first one, and if you now scroll down, as you can see at the bottom, you'll see that it's going to say Transaction Confirmation. Now, you want to tap on that, and when you do that, you'll be able to see your confirmation for that transaction. So that's the first way. However, if you would like to export them for specific periods, you could do that as well, and you can do that by going to the very top right, tapping on your profile name, and then in here you want to go inside statements. And here inside statements, you'll be able to see a bunch of different things. The first one is account statement. Just tap on that. And then from here, you'll be asked, of course, when you want to get the statement for. So for example, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or you could click on those 3 dots and you can set your own custom range. I'm just going to do a month over here. So the first one, and I'm going to tap on next. And from here, as you can see, it's going to give you your account statement. And here you can basically export your old transactions. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.